Welcome to the mix, and on the mix today, let's discuss church. Huh? Well, I won't say it's a discussion, but let's talk a little bit about the churches right now and, you know, the things that we want to change about church. Well, personally, I grew up in church from I was a baby growing up, and I've never left church really until I was in my 20s when I decided to, I was 19 when I decided to step out of church. Anyhow, past that, went back to church. And what I notice is that church these days, they are filled with persons basically trying to stop you from going to church when the Bible tells us, that we're not supposed to stand in the ways of sinner or sit in the seat of the scornful, because Christians, basically, they're supposed to help you as an individual to get to where you want to go in God, to get stronger if you're weak, and to help you up when you're falling down. But what I notice is that some Christians, they will stomp you down instead of helping you up, and that's not a good thing. What I would want to see, the changes in church, is for the Christians to hold their brother's hand, their sister's hand, and be like, yeah, I know that you're struggling with this, I know you're struggling with that, let's help you up. If I'm at a certain level, help the other one. We need to start helping, start being more caring, start being more compassionate, because Christ himself was compassionate, is compassionate, And even though we see a lot of different things in the Bible that, can be a bit controversial, but his compassion was first. He showed compassion. Remember that thing he said, he that has no sin cast the first stone. He said that for a reason, because he knows that everybody sin and come short of his glory. And if we all sin and we come short of his glory, what do you think? We all are sinners. We all were born in sin, shaped in iniquity. And therefore, even as we progress and we try to be like Christ, we grow in him, other people are still going to fall short. But at the end of the day, we should not judge. We should help that brother up or sister up, try to find out how we can help them to progress in Christ, because we don't want to be the only one to be stepping through the kingdom when he comes, because the first thing he's going to do is going to ask, what did you do? Did you help to heal the sick? Did you help others that didn't know about me? Did you teach my word? So you have to know, people, we have to so that you will not be judged. And again, let us all live in unity. Let us all live in love. Let us all take back our church to where it needs to be, like in the olden days. Yes, where everyone was happy, everyone was able to help each other to build them. And each one helps one. So when you lift up another brother, he can help somebody else too. And so on and so forth. So with that said, I leave it here. Whatever you have to say about this, if you have anything else to say, just leave it in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer to these. Have a wonderful Sunday, and thank you so much for making it here on the Mix.